Hello, and to convert this, we can just say actually to convert this to this, we can use to date time. So how do we do it locally? So let's say we want to convert them, and we have it as follow. So you can say df dot date. Let's give it to, remember we want to entire, we don't want to just get fast, we want the entire data date to be converted to only get year, month and day. So you can say pd pd dot to underscore not time but date time. This gives you time that is in the local here, but because the local we are not determined by the screen or local time at the screen, it is determined by the time at which this data was recorded. So we can say pd dot data frame like that. Then we call this method and we say df dot date. Call this method like that, and you can test it by saying df dot head to print the first 5. And you can see now this date have changed very clean.